since March 13, have you had a chance to sit down or to talk to Mayor Go, other than like sitting, seeing her in the Senate hearings?
Personally, no. The commission, no. Because we asked, no, not asked, but we left it to the DILG to investigate and to find whatever legal action that they could take against her, if any, if it is warranted, no. Kami naman po kasi, we simply coordinate. We're not an operating unit. We simply coordinate the operating units to be able to operate against a criminal entity. So as far as Mayor Guo is concerned, we don't find any relevance to talking to her at this point. It's up to the Department of Justice, the prosecutors, the DILG, and probably the Ombudsman to talk to her.
Maybe one last question about Mayor Go. Some people there has been a response to the last Senate hearing where many of the questions were really just about her citizenship.
Yeah.
That might be a political question, but I'm asking you, is it also a procedural question? I mean, is it material to your investigation if she were found to be not a Filipino national?
Well, yes. Because remember, no amount of denial on the part of Mayor Guo could erase the fact that her name appeared on the application for Hong Sheng in reference to the letter of no objection.
That's right, the loan.
If this individual who represented this particular entity and bought tracts of land, large, huge tracts of land in Bamban, 7.8 hectares for that matter, turns out not to be a Filipino, then that raises a lot of questions.
Okay.
How can a non-Filipino buy that huge, that large tracts of land? How can she run for public office? So there are many criminal and national security implications.